Does your wind sensor go hard? If your wind sensor on your barn isn't working correctly, it'll be windy and it'll just go very slowly or not much at all. Low wind speeds is really bad, and the curtains won't close towards the wind. It makes a whole lot of issues when the wind sensor is not working. Often the bearing gets sticky after 5 years or so, and it's real easy to change this. So we've seen this stuff that's around 5 years old. Sometimes the bearings will go out, and it's a simple fix. So step one, take the cups off. You'll need an Allen wrench and a screwdriver. There, that takes the cups off. Take the Phillips screw out of the back. There, this is forget about it. You don't need it anymore. Put the new one on, putting the Phillips screw in the back. There, now the new bearing's on. Slide that on like that. Slide it up the whole way and tighten it. Oh, it's a little bit wobbly. I had not tightened it this Phillips the whole way. So there, it's on straight. You've got new bearings, and it spins nice and easy. So that's what you're looking for. All it took was a Phillips screwdriver and this little Allen wrench that we supply with the bearing.